quick little pointer here for the head bolts. I was using a 12.15 millimeter and it slipped, and I stripped the head bolt on the right bank, the very back. After I'd done 3 of them, loosened 3 of them, went up to the 4th one there at the back, and I stripped it. Couldn't get a grip on the bolt anymore, even with the 6.1 or whatever. And so I've got an extractor set. Let me show you here. All right, this guy here, pretty nice made extractor set from Canadian Tire. Anyway, it's got a 14 and a 16 millimeter. The 14 wouldn't fit at all. The 16 millimeter fit over top of it, but it had some play. I looked all over town for a 15 mil extractor and could not find one anywhere. So what I did was I took the 16 mil and I filled the end of it with JB Weld, stuck it on there best I could, and left it for a day. Wanted that to dry really good. I was a little bit worried about it slipping and coming off, but that thing held solid. Yeah, that guy back there. Now I tightened these other ones back down that I'd loosened already because I didn't want any more stress on it. So I tightened them back down and just pulled this one out first. Now I'm going to go back and start from number 1 over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and does a little loop-de-loop. Take them all out and we'll be off to the races. So a quick little pointer there. I don't think I can get this off. I don't know if I can, but saved me from trying to, I don't have a welder, saved me from welding a nut on that or potentially trying to Dremel the head off of the bolt. And then I got more problems trying to get anyway. This little pointer there, JB Weld extractor set. One guy was a little too big and came off. Now, I've heard somewhere that acetone, this stuff here, dissolves epoxy. So I sat it in acetone for a few hours and it came loose, and I actually got this pulled off and I got it cleaned up a little bit. Got to clean a little bit more out of there. But if you want to save your extractor socket, then soak it in a little bit of acetone, maybe even overnight, and it'll come off a lot easier. But I got a little screwdriver in there and pried it off and then cleaned it out with a little more acetone. So there you go. Hey, remember to like and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Appreciate it.